Hey everyone. If you want to grow your followers on LinkedIn and build a strong personal brand in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to grow followers on LinkedIn. First, optimize your LinkedIn profile. A clear profile picture, strong headline, and a well-written about section help people trust and follow you. Next, post valuable content regularly. Share tips, insights, and your experiences related to your industry. Keep your writing simple and easy to read. Short and clear posts usually get more engagement and followers. Engage with others daily by liking, commenting, and replying. This increases your visibility on the platform. Use relevant hashtags in your posts. This helps your content reach a wider audience interested in your topic. Post at the right time when your audience is active. Morning and evening often work best depending on your audience. Finally, stay consistent. Growing followers on LinkedIn doesn't happen overnight. You need regular activity and patience. So yeah, that's how you grow followers on LinkedIn in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll build a strong audience and personal brand over time. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more LinkedIn tutorials for fast and easy guides.